Hello, hello, hello. I am the Linux Mench. In the winter and the spring, I was using a background remover that I downloaded and installed from the AUR, the Arch Linux user repository. And then I don't know, at the end of spring, early summer, it stopped working altogether. After an Arch Linux update, it stopped working. And I don't know if it had anything to do with an update of OBS Studio or some other updates. And so I stopped using it. And then several times in the summer, I tried reinstalling the background remover and it wasn't working at all. Now it's working again, but it always was kind of wonky. Even when it was working back in the wintertime, it's kind of wonky and it's still kind of wonky now, even though it's working again. And so I'm going to show you it. First, I'm going to, let's get to it. So today I'm just going to stay in my main production computer. I'm not going to go into a virtual machine, and I'm not going to use a capture card to record from another computer. I'm just going to stay right here. So let's open up the Brave browser. Now we're in the Brave browser, and I'm going to go to Arch Linux, and I'm going to go to the AUR, and I'm going to type in OBS, background remover, and this is it right here. There's two here, and the last time it was updated is March 27, 2024. So I'm going to click it on, and I'm going to go down. So you can see March 27, 2024. So it was working, then it stopped working for a few months, and now it's working again. So it has nothing to do with the background remover being updated, because like I said, it hasn't been updated in, this coming March will be 2 years, right? And if we open up another workspace, let's do OBS background removal. This is it here. It's in GitHub. And the name of the person is Roy Schill, and he even has some YouTube videos about it. So we could make it larger, and you could read about it here. And you could even go to YouTube. And this is the person's YouTube channel. And this is the person who made that background remover app for OBS. And he has some videos on it showing how to use it. So you can go to his channel and watch those videos if you want to learn how to use it. And I'm just going to close this now. Oh, I forgot my face was off. Sorry about that. And what else can I do? So this is it here. Let's go back up here now. I'm going to turn it on. And now it's on. I'm using it with the default settings. And so see, it removes the background of my room and the furniture that's in my room. And I like it because it's a bit more, gives me a little bit more privacy. So you can't see what's in my room because I don't really have, I don't have a proper studio, right? And it's not bad. The thing I don't like about it, it's a bit wonky. So there's my hands. And if I move around too much, and sometimes it's not bad. Like sometimes if I sit still, my face is stable, but sometimes my face is a bit wobbly, And now you can see my microphone, eh? See my face? Yeah, so sometimes it's a bit wobbly. And sometimes it works better and sometimes it doesn't. Now these are the default settings. And of course, I move my face down there. It's down there like that. And what do you think? Do you like it or not? And what else can I do? Let's open up a terminal. There I'm in a terminal. And so if you watch some of my videos in the winter and early spring, I was using the background removal. And then it stopped working in the summertime. And now I made a video 2 videos ago. Was it 2 videos ago? I used it. And then the last video, I didn't use it. But what do you think? It's a bit wobbly. Now, like I said, I'm using the default settings. Now you can go into advanced settings and change things, play around with the filter and that, and the settings in the filter. So I could play around with the settings and I could do that, or I could do that. Could change it to that, could change it to that. It's kind of a bit wonky. How about that one? Do you like that one? Now it's showing the microphone. Oh, that one's different. Let's close it. How's that? How is that, eh? You like that? It's not bad. Let's go to another workspace. Oh, so now you can see the microphone. Actually, it's not bad, eh? What do you think? So it's just playing around with the settings, and there's a lot more settings that you can play with. And sometimes it's a bit wonky, and sometimes my face is more stable. And I don't know if it's because of my CPU, because I'm using an old computer, or because I just don't really know how to use the settings. So let me know what you think in the comments. Would you rather see me making videos like this? Oh, my microphone just went. Now I can move the microphone out of the way so it doesn't appear in the camera or in the shot. But then when I move it away, my voice is more echoey and my voice is not as strong. So what do you think? Do you like it like this? Or how about like that? But now my voice probably doesn't sound as good. And look, at one side of my face is a little bit wonky. I don't know, let me know what you think. Would you rather see me making videos like this? Is this better? Or would you rather me turn it off? So now I'm using the background removal with the default settings. So what do you think? Do you like this? Is it better like this? Or would you rather see a more stable picture? Is this better? Or is this better? Would you rather see me making videos like this? Let me know in the comments what you think. In this video, I talked about my background removal, when I started using it, why I stopped using it, and why I'm starting to use it again. And I showed you where to download it in the Arch Linux user repository, the AUR. I also showed you the GitHub repository and the person who created the background remover for OBS. And I even showed you his YouTube page if you want to watch some videos where he shows you how to use it. And I also asked your opinion do you like it when I use it? Do you think it's better, or is it better if I don't use it? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I am the Linux Mench.